Together with Cardile, BloomNet is offering members the ability to capture new customers with personalized, on-demand greeting cards. Join hundreds of other BloomNet shops in adding Cardile to your store's offerings. Upsell Cardile on your BloomNet commerce website with 1-800-Flowers orders to retail walk-ins and orders over the phone. Your customers can choose from thousands of themes designed by local and independent artists, or upload their own selfies to the card image. Sign up today and receive a free commerce website integration. It's easy to set up and operate, and Cardile is here to help you along the way. But don't just take our word for it.
This is Andrew of Vases and Bows in Houston, Texas. I was asked to share a few words about the Cardile system that we now use. I must say that when Cardile first came out, I was skeptical about the business that it could provide, but I can tell you in less than a year, we've done over 3,000 Cardile orders, generating revenues in excess of $275,000 that we would not have gotten from 1-800-Flowers if not for the Cardile system. So it's a valuable piece of equipment in our shop, and we use it every day.